Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. A nearly $30 million meme coin pre-sale has confirmed listings on Uniswap, Mexi, Coinbase, and more this October. History shows when tokens hit platforms like these, price explosions follow 10 and even 100x moves in days. Right now, the pre-sale sits at just 1.5 cents, while the listing target is $2 and the window to get in is closing fast. In today's video, I will break down why this moment matters, how the Binance listing changes everything, the roadmap ahead, and the massive $5 million rewards program that could shake the entire community. Alright, Bull Run Angels, let's dive right in. Welcome back, guys. How could I start this video other than saying that Pepe Heimer is one of those projects that instantly grabs attention. It's a meme coin with an AI-powered twist built around the wild energy of Pepe culture fused with the genius vibe of Heisenberg. What makes it stand out is its AI-driven DeFi tools like Atomic HeimerFi for automated yield optimization and Gem Fission for predictive token sniping, which is giving holders real value instead of relying only on speculation. Also, the roadmap is aligned with Ethereum's shift toward modular infrastructure with layer 2 integrations and AI utilities that connect directly to the same technology and AI utilities that connect directly to the same tech driving Ethereum's DeFi comeback. The pre-sale has already raised over $27 million, which very few projects in 2025 have achieved. Right now, the token is still priced at just 1.5 cents, as I said, while confirmed listings on Uniswap, Mexi, and more are targeting around $2 and creating a setup with 100x potential for early buyers. The community is exploding with thousands of active supporters on Twitter and Telegram, and Pepe Heimer has already been featured on AP News, Yahoo Finance, Crypto.com, and CoinGate while trending non-stop on socials. It's becoming one of the most visible and talked about launches of this year, and momentum is only building stronger as October listings get closer. Now guys, one thing a lot of people ask about is the security, and Pepe Heimer has already handled that. Their smart contract went through a full audit with solid proof, which gives investors confidence that everything is safe and reliable. Recently, they also dropped a price listing chart that caught everyone's eye, and the reason it's blowing up is because it's built on real factors like their marketing push, Ethereum's strong performance, and the community's growing expectations. That is why people are looking at this chart as a realistic picture of what could happen once Pepe Heimer goes live. It's adding even more confidence that this token could actually come out of the gate with huge momentum. Now let's talk about the big catalyst ahead. Pepe Heimer's confirmed listings on Uniswap and Mexi this October. These are some of the largest exchanges in the world with millions of active traders, and getting listed there instantly boosts liquidity and buying pressure. History shows what usually happens next. Meme coins and new projects on these platforms have seen 10x, 20x, even more within just days of listing. The reason is actually very simple. Uniswap and Mexi bring in massive exposure and attract huge numbers of buyers, especially those who missed the pre-sale and are waiting for that first trading opportunity. That is exactly why October is shaping up to be a huge turning point for this token, and now is the perfect time to jump in before the listings. Also guys, what gives this massive project serious potential for a big pump is the strength that it's already showing. The pre-sale raised $27 million, which is a clear sign of investor confidence in real capital backing the project before launch. The roadmap is ambitious, with AI tools scheduled for Q3 and Q4, bringing yield optimization and predictive trading that add real utility and push demand past simple meme hype. And I have to highlight, guys, that it's not just Uniswap and Mexi. Pepe Heimer has confirmed listings on XT, Albank, Bitmart, and HDX, which creates wide market coverage and strong liquidity from day one. From my perspective, having this many exchanges lined up ahead of launch is massive because it opens the door to millions of new traders globally at the same time. And for all early holders, that means the conditions are in place for explosive moves once trading begins. With all those exchange listings lining up, it's more than clear why momentum keeps building. Pepe Heimer is a meme coin with massive potential, and it's already close to 30 million raised in pre-sale and powered by a strong and passionate community. The pre-sale price is still sitting at just 1.5 cents with a 100% bonus offer, which is making it extremely attractive for anyone looking to position early. Early investors are already up big, and with Ethereum moving toward new all-time highs, Pepe Heimer could ride that momentum as part of the growing Layer 2 ecosystem. With that being said, guys, if you're thinking about getting in before launch, this pre-sale is one of those rare early windows, but it will not stay open for long. Check out pepeheimer.io for the latest updates and all the details on how to join in. That's it for today's update. Pepe Heimer is setting up for a massive October, and being early here could make all the difference. Don't miss your shot, subscribe for the latest updates, and I will see you in the next one.